Hello, it might seem like there's nothing to do right now in your home, but there's an alternative. You dig a hole in your backyard and you start a farm. What's the point of the video? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm starting a farm and I'm bringing y'all along, and you better be farming too exactly when you're watching this, and we all just gonna be eating tomatoes. That's how you become a genius. You know what I'm saying? Eating tomatoes. So you're probably like, what are the steps? That's pretty sick. Let me show you. First, put on some shoes. Second, grab your utensil of what you need to use. I've already dug a hole, so I'm using something else than you have to do. That makes sense? Yes. 3, have some plants on the side. You gotta have some vegetables, you gotta have some fruits that you're gonna plant, or else what's the point of having a farm, fam? Intellectual, yo, big brain. Stupid. You know, one time in my life, water tried to kill me, fam. I was just learning how to swim, and I thought I was good. Like, my aunt was telling me, yo, just gotta like, don't go like this, you know? Like, it's how you swim. You go like, you do this, you know, do a little bit of these and shit, and you know how to swim. And then I tried on my own. Basically, I was hanging on to the edge of the water, and I just like jumped off, and then I just sank like a rock. And I was just waving around and stuff, deeping myself in there. And then my aunt saved me, and I was like, I don't know how old I was, but I wasn't young. I wasn't like a kid, so it was just sad. I really gotta plan these things out a bit better, because I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. We finna learn. We finna learn. It's bloody windy. Here is my plot of land. We're gonna have a shack there, but that's the plot. That's what we have to make good, and then that's it. Do that. All hard. You know, you have to be a raking pro. Get some water. You know, some H2O might do it good for you. So you're like, all right, mate, let's put some water. They call me Fireman Jones. You know, hoes always have problems. Now let's get to what you came here for. Yo, what's with these brown youths and riding dirt bikes, bro? What the hell is going on? As you can tell, I don't really know what I'm doing. You know how it is nowadays. What? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what really I'm doing, fam. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think I'm doing something. So, you know. And this is when I messed it all up. Basically, I just started pouring way too much water. What I was doing before was good, but I added too much water after because I saw too many of these boulders, but I just had the wrong tool, and I just messed it up because of this. But it's all good now. I decided to give you guys a closer look, you know? Like, look at that moistness of the dirt. You know, I think this is what we're really going for, because I didn't know what I was doing before, you know? Right. This is kind of disturbing. I'm gonna spare you guys a little bit so you don't have to hear that, because I kept just saying moist. Ew. Yeah, this is just me messing it up. Yeah. You know? Like, I wish you could hear this moistness of the dirt. It's just so moist. You know? It's moist as fuck. I mean, it's moist. Very good. Very nice. Very moist. Well, it looks, I wouldn't say better, but I think I added a little bit too much water. So, pro tip, don't add too much water. And then hopefully when the water goes away, it doesn't look like disgusting as it does right now. I don't know if it's supposed to look disgusting or if it's supposed to look like normal. It just looks like, well, y'all know what it looks like. Disgusting! I think I'm done. I probably messed it up. And I'm probably gonna have to fix it later. But you know what? It's a good learning experience. And I think that I learned a lot. I learned that it's good that I'm not a farmer and there's proper people doing that job. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Alright, I basically messed up everything. I think it was pretty clear in the video. Here, let me show you how my parents reacted. So how did I do, Mom? What the? You're adopted. Okay, so maybe that's not how it went, but I did mess it up. And then we fixed it like a couple days later when the water kind of settled down. But yeah, hey, you live and you learn. Just keep digging and you'll dig your way out of the mess you made. So that's what it looks like now. And obviously, it looks a lot better.